In this video, I want to share with you two ultralight toiletry pouches by Sea to Summit. This is the traveling light hanging toiletry bag, and this is the C pouch, and they're both in the small size. I really like the hanging toiletry bag, and I've featured it in several previous videos, but I thought it would be interesting to see a comparison side by side between the much more minimalist C pouch. The comparison won't be exact because the C pouch is much smaller than the hanging toiletry bag. The dimensions are about 8.5 by 4 by 2 inches deep, or 22 by 10 by 5 centimeters, and it has a capacity of just under 1 liter. Well, the small hanging toiletry bag here is 9 by 6 by about 3 inches deep, or 23 by 15 by 8 centimeters, with at least double the capacity. However, both these bags come in multiple sizes. A comparable capacity on the C pouch is going to be the medium size to this one. This thing also comes in a gigantic large size, 11 by 8 by 3, which is about 4 times the capacity of the small one. The clear advantage of the C pouch is it's extremely lightweight, just under an ounce or about 24-25 grams, while the largest size is still only about 1.4 ounces or around 40 grams. The hanging toiletry bag has way more features than the C pouch, lots of pockets, zippers, makes this thing about 3 times heavier. If you take out the mirror, the small size here comes around about 2.8, 2.9 ounces or around 82 grams, while the largest size is 4.7 ounces or 133 grams. The quality in these bags is almost identical. They both use an ultralight Sil nylon Ripstop. The hanging bag here is slightly thicker, 50 denier, while the C pouch here uses a 30 denier. However, you can really barely even notice a difference. And for some reason, Sea to Summit likes to use these tiny off-brand zippers that look kind of cheap. However, I've had this bag for at least 2 years. I use it all the time, and I've never had an issue with any of these zippers. I would imagine the C pouch is going to last just as long. As far as functionality goes, if you have a decent amount of toiletries and you like them well organized, it's hard to beat the hanging toiletry pouch. I think the biggest advantage on the hanging toiletry bag is this hook. Lets you hang it up in the bathroom, gives you easy access to these 2 top thin mesh pockets, as well as this large bottom compartment that also has a mesh divider. This bottom area is great for larger bottles, silicone shampoo, for example, because you can stack them in here and they're gonna stay upright. It also comes with an additional mini mirror that you can detach. It's gonna add about 0.6 ounces to the weight, and also a large zippered pocket here on the back. The C pouch, however, it's extremely lightweight, but it has almost no features. It's really just a small tapered pouch here with a clear window front. And there's no hanging loop on the back. It does have these 2 little fabric loops on the corners, but this hole is almost too small to use it to hang over a hook in the bathroom. There's also quite a large price disparity between these 2 bags. The hanging toiletry bag here is almost $40, while the C pouch, the small and the medium size, are both under $20. And now, just as a quick example, I'll pack both these bags up with toiletries so you can see how much you can fit in each one. Starting with the larger hanging pouch, I have a bar soap, Castile soap, shampoo, deodorant, sunscreen, toothbrush, toothpaste, and a few pill bottles. These top thin pouches are great: toothbrush, toothpaste, long, skinny, thin items, comb, razor. And then there's a ton of room in this bottom pocket. You can kind of just stuff everything in here. Larger bottles standing up. You can use the mesh divider to keep the stuff separate. That's everything packed into the hanging toiletry bag. Quite a lot in here. And for reference, this thing is 1 pound, 6.3 ounces or 633 grams. This is a much more minimalist setup for the C pouch. I got rid of the shampoo, one of the Castile soaps, and a couple of pill containers. Because this bag is so much smaller, you have to be a little more conscientious on how you pack it. But if you do a good job, you can get quite a bit in here, a little more than you think you could. That's everything packed into the C pouch. Kind of had to Tetris it in there, but it fit fine. And for reference, this is 14.5 ounces or 412 grams. In summary, these are both good pouches. I tend to use the hanging toiletry bag on longer trips where I need more stuff because I like all the zippered pouches, and the ability to hang the bag. However, if you're more minimalist or if you're going on a short weekend trip, then the Sea to Summit Sea Pouch is one of the lightest toiletry bags you can buy. That's all I have for the comparison between these two ultralight Sea to Summit toiletry bags. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.